Welcome to Cooking with H2S, cooking for success of course. Tonight we got some really beautiful dry aged steaks that's been dried since, was it September or November last year? Of course trimmed and ready for a bit of seasoning.
This is where the fun starts.
So give them a nice sprinkle of sea salt and freshly ground pepper on both sides. And I don't mind to say thank you to my favorite butcher in Istanbul, the ESKI KASAP family. You guys make me happy and smile every time I'm here. So prepare for cooking. And Mrs. H2S just prepared a beautiful salad to keep it healthy with that beautiful steak. Cooking with gas is the best way to cook a steak, except for barbecue of course.
No excuse, sir.
So, decent slab of butter on the pan.
No! What are you waiting for?
Let it get really hot.
I'm a Terminator.
James Bond.
I'm really smart.
I'm young.
Alive outside?
I'm a cybernetic organism, living tissue over a metal endoskeleton.
I'm a dentist. Open your mouth.
I'm a superhero.
And hopefully it's hot enough. I hope so. You should hear a nice sound when I put this baby down. That sounds like the music I want to hear.
45 seconds.
Glad you could drop in.
Okay, ready to flip. And hopefully it's cooked beautifully on the first side. This is what I call a success. And it's perfectly cooked. I give it a little rub with a little slab of butter while it's resting here. It's cooked beautifully. Only one thing to finalize. A little sprinkle of fresh sea salt.
This is the way.
And a generous little drizzle of freshly ground pepper. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Have a wonderful day and don't forget to smile.
It's nice.